Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Do you know, my brothers and sisters, that many Muslims today don't take their religion seriously because they believe entering the highest ranks of Jannah is something hard for them to accomplish. They believe to be close to Allah, to be in Jannah to the Firdaus, I must be a big sheikh, I must memorize the entire Qur'an, I must master every hadith. Some even think if I drive a nice car, live in a good house, or have a lot of wealth, I can never be a wali of Allah. But this is a big mistake. The truth is, you can memorize the entire Quran and still enter hellfire. Na'udhu billahi min dhalik, if you don't act upon it. And at the same time, you can do small consistent deeds people overlook, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will raise you among the highest in paradise. Let me share one example with you. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam once spoke about a Sahabi. He had his footsteps in Jannah. When they asked this man what special deed he used to do, he didn't say, "Oh, I gave millions in charity, I fought in every battle, I built masajid." No, he simply said, "Annahu kana la yatawadda'u illa wa huwa ala wudu'in." I never allowed myself to be without wudu. Subhanallah, something so small, yet it placed him among the people of paradise. That is why today, brothers and sisters, I will be sharing with you 8 simple ways that don't require stress, don't require wealth, don't require huge efforts. Yet, if you do them daily, you will thank me yawm al-qiyamah bi'idhnillah. Number 1, saying subhanallah wa bihamdihi subhanallah al-azim. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Kalimatani خفيفتان على اللسان ثقيلتان في الميزان حبيبتان إلى الرحمن سبحان الله وبحمده سبحان الله العظيم." There are 2 words that are light on the tongue, yet heavy on Allah's scale, beloved to the most merciful. These words are Subhanallah wa bihamdi, Subhanallah al-Azim. Let us think about this. When you tell your friends or loved ones words they love to hear, what happens? They feel happy, right? They feel valued, they love you more. Now imagine saying to Allah, the King of Kings, words that he loves the most. Words so simple, yet so beloved, that they make your good deeds heavy on the scale on the day of judgment. Every time you say Subhanallah wa bihamdi, Subhanallah al-Azim, you are not just moving your lips, you are planting trees, increasing your scale, and drawing closer to Allah's love. Number 2, smiling. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Tabassumuka fi wajhi akhika laka sadaqa." Smiling at your brother is charity for you. And he also said, "La tahqiranna min al-ma'rufi shay'an walau an talqa akhaka biwajhin talqa." Do not belittle any good deed, even if it is just meeting your brother with a cheerful face. Subhanallah, something so small, just smiling, is written as sadaqah. You don't need money, you don't need strength, you don't even need words. Your smile alone can brighten someone's heart, remove sadness, and earn you charity in sight of Allah. So the next time you think you have nothing to give, remember, even your smile can open doors to Jannah. Number 3, loving the Prophet. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Al-mar'u ma'a man ahabba." A person will be with whom he loves. Reflect on this, brothers and sisters. Even if your deeds are small, even if you don't pray Qiyam every night, even if you don't give millions in charity, your love for Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam can place you beside him in Jannah. The companions said that after hearing this hadith, nothing made them happier, because they knew their love for Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would bring them close to him, even if their deeds could not. So ask yourself, do you love the Prophet? Do you send salah upon him? Do you try to follow his sunnah? Because if you do, this love itself is a shortcut to Jannah. Number 4, maintaining wudu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam once asked Bilal radiyallahu anhu, "Ya Bilal, hadithni بأرجى عمل عملته في الإسلام فإني سمعت دفن عليك بين يدي في الجنة." "Oh Bilal, tell me of the most hopeful deed you have done in Islam, for I heard the sound of your footsteps ahead of me in paradise." Bilal replied, "I never allowed myself to be without wudu." Brothers and sisters, look at this simple deed. Just keeping yourself in a state of wudu and praying 2 rak'ahs after it. No wealth required, no huge efforts, but this habit made Bilal radiyallahu anhu someone whose footsteps were heard in Jannah. Imagine, every time you make wudu, every time you pray 2 rak'ahs, you are writing your name among the people of Jannah. Number 5, feeding others. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ittaqun nar walau bishiqqi tamr." Save yourself from hellfire, even with half of a date. Look at the mercy of Allah. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't say you need millions. He didn't say you need to build masajid. He said even half a date, given sincerely, can save you from Jahannam. So the next time you eat, share, even if it's little, because in Allah's eyes, it is not the quantity that matters, it is the sincerity behind it. Number 6, visiting the sick. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man aada maridan aw zara أخا له في الله ناداه منادي أن طبت وطاب ممشاك وتبوأت من الجنة منزلا. Whoever visits a sick person or visits his brother for Allah's sake, an angel calls out, may you be purified, may your work be blessed, and may you take a place in Jannah. Subhanallah. Just visiting someone sick, giving them comfort, or checking up on your brother in Islam out of love for Allah can make the angels call out blessings for you and secure you a home in Jannah. Number 7. Removing harm from the road. The Prophet ﷺ said, فَأَمَّا إِمَاطَةُ الْأَذَى عَنِ الطَّرِيقِ فَصَدَقَةٌ. Removing harm from the road is charity. Look at the simplicity. You see a stone, a glass bottle, or a nail on the road, something that could hurt someone, and you move it. That's it. Allah records it for you as sadaqah. And do you know, there was even a man mentioned in the Hadith who entered Jannah simply because he removed a thorny branch from the road that was harming people. That's how much Allah values small deeds done sincerely. Number 8. Feeding animals. The Prophet ﷺ told us the story of a sinful woman. He said, غفر لامرأة بغي مرت بكلب على رأس ركي يكاد يقتله العطش فنزعت موقاها فسقته فغفر لها به. A sinful woman was forgiven by Allah because she gave water to a tasty dog, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala admitted her to paradise because of it. Do you see? Even a sinful woman, because of one act of kindness to an animal, was forgiven and granted Jannah. So don't throw away your leftover food. Don't waste it in the bin. Give it to a stray cat. Give it to a dog that has no home. Every bite could be the deed that tips your scale on the day of judgment. These are 8 shortcuts to Jannah. None of them require money. None require great effort. Just sincerity, consistency, and a heart that seeks Allah's pleasure. The Prophet ﷺ said, Ahabbul a'mali ila Allahi adwamuha wa in qal. The most beloved deeds to Allah are those done consistently, even if small. So start today. Start with a smile. Start with dhikr. Start with kindness, and build your home in Jannah, one small act at a time. These are just 8 shortcuts to Jannah. But remember, there are hundreds of other good deeds out there that don't require any stress at all. Sometimes it's just a word, a smile, or even an intention in your heart. If you know some others, drop them in the comment section so that other Muslims can also benefit. And don't forget, share this video so the reward continues. Like it so it reaches more people, and of course, subscribe for more beneficial reminders. May Allah grant us all Jannah without reckoning. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum.